What's up guys, Abhishek here, and in this video I am going to install the MIUI 9.9.26 on our Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1. So guys, it is pretty amazing that we are getting MIUI 11 on our Max Pro M1, which is running on the stock Android. So guys, in this video we will see how to install on Max Pro M1. So guys, first of all you have to download this file from the description, that is around 1.7 GB in size. And what you have to do is you have to install the TWRP recovery on your smartphone before installing this, because it is must to install TWRP recovery. Without TWRP recovery you won't be able to flash this MIUI 9.9.26 on your smartphone. So guys, I am giving the link to how to install TWRP recovery on your Max Pro M1. Just install that and follow this step that I am doing right now. So guys, as you can see, this is the file that I have kept in my internal storage. So I am going to basically switch off my device, and then we will boot our device into TWRP recovery. So I am showing you, just you can follow the steps. If you don't know what I am speaking right now, so you can always follow the step that I am showing you right now. So guys, what you have to do when your device booted up, and you have to install this file, but before that you have to go to the wipe and select all these things like cache, Delphi cache, vendor, and all these 5 things. You don't have to select anything else, and you can swipe to wipe your data. And you can always guys take a backup of your previous ROM by going to the backup option, and you can directly install this. But before that you can also go to the backup option and select all these options and swipe to backup. And once you have the backup, copied that into the PC, and when you need to restore, just click on that backup and swipe to confirm flash, and it will be restored your stock ROM that was already present before installing this. So I'm going to select this and swipe to confirm flash. You don't have to do anything just for this. And after the ROM is flashed, you will get the successful message. You just have to hit the reboot system and do not install. After that your ROM will take almost 10 seconds to boot. You don't have to do anything, and when your device will boot you will see a screen like this, that this device is locked. For you don't have to worry. Just go to the OpenWLAN network and search for your Wi-Fi and enter your password. And when you are connected to your Wi-Fi network, then you can activate your Mi account or Mi ID on this device to boot into the system or the ROM. You have to click on this activate and add whatever ID you have, that it already detected my ID. As you can see, now I am going to enter my ID and password, and it will boot in this device. If you don't have Mi ID, you can always create that into the web. And yeah, as you can see guys, you just have to set up your device like this. But guys, some important steps are there that I will tell you, so you have to wait when it is checking the updates. And as you can see guys, it is showing me the VoLTE icon. I am using the Airtel SIM card right now, and it is also showing the battery percentage, and Wi-Fi is also working pretty well. Now guys, you have to enter the email address and password that you were using on your stock ROM. So you have to enter that exact same email address on this device, and after that your device will set up like this. After that you just have to click more and accept. More common thing that most of the people just click on that, and this is the thing guys after the cloud setup, and I'm going to basically skip that thing. So guys, as you can see, we can add our fingerprint scanner to this device. Nothing to worry about the fingerprint scanner that it won't work on this ROM. It is working pretty fine. I will show you later on. So you just have to select pin, pattern or password, whatever. I'm going to enter the pattern right now, so it will save like this. And after that I will set up my fingerprint to the device, and it will take some time to set up. And once it's done, so after the fingerprint scanner setup, you just have to disable one option called personalized ad recommendation. Guys, this option will serve you ads on MIUI, so you have to disable this so you won't see ads on your MIUI. So just have to disable those options like wallpaper, carousel and the ad recommendations. So guys, after that you will get 4 themes. These 2 are the old ones, and these 2 are the new ones that are called MIUI 11 themes. So you can select whatever you want. I'm going with the default theme. So guys, as you can see, this device is set up, and now you can use MIUI 11 on your Max Pro M1. Let me tell you something guys, it is perfectly running on this device, and now I am going to use this device as my primary device. As you can see, these are the settings option that you are going to get on this device. Let me go to the my device option. Also the storage is 32 GB on my device, obviously, because I am using 3 GB 32 GB variant, and the available storage is around 20.5 GB right now. And let me tell you guys, the theme option is also working fine. You don't have to worry about that you will not able to apply theme on this device. You can always change theme if you want to. And after that guys, camera app is also working fine. I have tested that. I clicked some pictures with this device, and I have also recorded some videos, and camera app is working super fine, no issues regarding that. So guys, this is the stable ROM and you don't have to worry about this. And guys, I am going to make some videos on this MIUI 11 features or more about the MIUI 11. So guys, for that, subscribe to this channel and turn on the bell icon, and I will see you in the next one.